Changing lives beyond Africa. Mrbeast's 100 Wells project in Africa and critics around the world. Mrbeast and his team are on a mission to make a real impact. Today, we delve into the remarkable story of Mrbeast and his latest project that's changing lives in Africa. 100 wells spread across Kenya, Zimbabwe, Uganda, and Cameroon, providing clean, safe drinking water to communities in need. But it doesn't stop there. Mrbeast goes beyond the wells, donating computers, soccer balls, projectors, and more to the children, creating a ripple of positivity. What's truly astonishing is that he didn't make a single dime from this endeavor. In a heartfelt video, Mrbeast expresses his concern about the lack of action from politicians and governments. He acknowledges the unconventional role a YouTuber has taken up, showcasing the power of individual impact. Yet, as predictable as the sunrise, critics emerge. Take, for instance, a Ghanaian blogger, Albert, who claims Mrbeast's project disrespects Africans. But let's dissect his arguments. For the critics, Mrbeast clearly identifies specific villages lacking clean water, receiving gratitude from the locals. The notion that Africans don't need water donations is debunked by the contaminated water sources the villagers were forced to rely on. Mrbeast's actions echo louder than the misguided criticisms. The wells are a lifeline, preventing diseases like typhoid caused by contaminated water. It's a stark reminder of the impact one individual can make, filling a void left by governments and politicians. Some few people said Mrbeast sees himself as a messiah, a claim refuted by the lack of such grandiosity in the video. The focus should be on the tangible good being done, not misinterpretations. And in any case, I agreed to that. Whoever saves a life in real life should be called a messiah. So, to those watching, if you believe in the power of positive change, if you think clean water is a basic right for everyone, subscribe and like. Support Mrbeast's endeavors to inspire others and hold those in power accountable. In a world where controversy can overshadow good deeds, let's choose to celebrate the positive impact Mrbeast is making. After all, it's not about the drama, it's about transforming lives. Until next time, stay inspired.